to my channel. Today I am going to color this beautiful ice cream.
Wow, it has a 3 layers, Amira.
Yes, let's start. And I have this beautiful different color that I am using for ice cream.
Okay.
Now let's start.
Let's start.
So let's start.
Okay. Wow, I love this ice cream, Amira. And look at this cute star. Heart, star, heart, heart. Oh my god. There is a cherry on the top of the ice cream and little sprinkles.
Let's start.
Yes, let's start.
First with the cone.
The ice cream cone, right, Amira?
Yes.
Do you like to eat cone as well with the ice cream?
Yes.
I love to eat and it is very crunchy.
Yes. Crunchy. Like a rock.
Yes, rock is not a crunchy at all, Amira. It is so hard. Okay, this sketch pen is beautiful colored yellow. Wow, I love yellow. My one of the favorite color is yellow. And how fast you are doing it. Nice, you did it so fast.
So guys, I'm done with the cone.
Okay, so what is the next?
To color the cherry.
You are going to color the cherry first. Oh, wow. Who likes the cherry?
Me.
Okay guys, if you like cherries, if you like to eat cherries, then you should subscribe to Like Amira's channel.
And like, share, subscribe.
Yes, and like the videos and share it with your friends who loves to color these cute little ice creams.
Now let's color the little sprinkles.
Okay, so which color you are doing on the sprinkles?
Yellow, red, green, orange, pink.
Okay, different sprinkle colors.
Yes. Violet yellow.
Kids love sprinkle on their ice creams.
Yes.
The beautiful sprinkles. I love sprinkles on my ice cream. I like to add different flavored sprinkle, Amira.
Yes.
A green sprinkle. Amira, this is the season to eat lots of ice cream. So which season it is? God bless you.
Summer season.
God bless you. Yes, and which season?
Summer season.
Yes, summer season it is. In summer season, we all love to eat ice creams.
Yes.
Which is your favorite flavor, Amira?
My favorite flavor is raspberry and strawberry and blueberries and vanilla.
Okay. You love all the flavors.
Yes.
Okay, so what is your next part to color?
To color this ice creams.
Ice creams, okay. Let's color the ice creams.
Starting from orange.
Wow, this orange color ice cream is looking so beautiful. Yummy, yummy ice creams.
Ice creams are always tasty.
Tasty, yes. Every kid likes to eat ice cream.
Yes.
I love chocolate ice creams. I love chocolate flavor. And blueberry flavor as well.
And
Yeah, those are my favorite ones.
my favorite is vanilla, strawberry, raspberry, freedom, and three.
And three more.
Yes. And
Strawberry. One more.
raspberry,
One more. Coconut.
chocolate, and coconut.
Yes. Wow, look at this cute ice cream.
So guys, I'm done with orange color. Now let's color light green color.
Okay. Light green. Amira, can I tell you one thing? See, you forgot to do this part of ice cream. Orange.
I will do it.
Okay. Okay, as usual, you are doing the border first. That's a nice thing, Amira. And you are doing so good. Your ice cream looks so real and yummy. Can I tell the flavor name?
Yes.
I think it is orange flavor ice cream.
Yes. And this one?
This one is what do you think? Is it a kiwi flavor?
Yes.
Wow, kiwi fruit is very delicious.
And this one?
Pink color.
Yes.
Okay, we will think about that. Do you like
I know.
kiwis?
Strawberry.
Yes, strawberries. Strawberries are pink in color.
No,
And-
red.
Yes, but some strawberries are also pink in color. And their ice cream is also pink in color, Amira. Not red in color, right? Strawberry ice cream is always pink in color. Wow, you are so fast. Hey Amira, you took different sketch pen to color this.
Yes.
Why?
Because of that, this pen is dry.
Okay, it is dry. Wow. So this kiwi flavor ice cream is cute.
Yes.
Do you like kiwi fruit, Amira?
Yes.
Kiwi fruit is very healthy.
Yes. Now the top one is same color.
Yes, a strawberry flavor. Careful. You are going into the kiwi flavor ice cream.
That's why it melted.
Yeah. Ice cream always melts fast. So that's why you have to eat ice cream so fast. Eat it. You should not take break while eating ice cream because it will melt fast.
Yes. Two color ice cream. Your mama will give ice cream.
Okay, so you're asking for ice cream now.
Yes.
Okay, sure, promise. I will take you to ice cream parlor and we are going to have delicious ice cream tonight.
Yes. Before my friends come down.
Yes.
Ninja toddlers. Did you hear the Ninja Turtles?
You're talking about Ninja Turtles? Do you like them?
Yes.
When I was a kid, I used to love watching Ninja Turtles.
Me too.
You also like it?
Yes.
Ninja Turtles.
They walk slowly.
Yes, because the turtle walks slow. Your strawberry ice cream is also ready. Wow. Okay, wow. This is strawberry ice cream, kiwi ice cream, orange flavor and yellow color cup.
Not cup.
Oh, this is a cone. This is an ice cream cone, right?
Yes.
Okay, so what is your next coloring shape? What you are going to color? Stars or heart? Oh yes. This you need to fill. Done. Perfect. And here are you going to plant something? Oh wow. Pink sprinkles on the orange ice cream. Orange flavor with the pink sprinkles. Cute ice creams. Okay, so what you are going to color next? Okay, which is your color? I don't think you should use that. It is too dark for the cone. Can I give you one sketch pen?
Yes.
Okay, let me find a good color to color the waffle.
This part.
No, I want to take it from here. Okay. I think this will be the best.
What? Are you serious?
No, you don't like this? Okay, so then I think this one.
I think this one.
Which one? Okay. It's your ice cream. It's your cone. You can do any color you want. Wow, Amira, it is looking super good. Your choice of colors is very nice, but be careful. Just don't go and melt into the ice cream. This cup cone is looking delicious and more beautiful. Okay, the little cute heart. Okay, you are coloring all the hearts pink. So cute. Wow. The shining star, yellow. Can you tell me how many stars are there? Can you count it?
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
And hearts?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, 8 stars and 4 hearts. Your ice cream is looking very, very delicious and awesome. I will also ask the shopkeeper, the ice cream seller, to add this cherry on the top of my ice cream too.
I want to eat it now.
Yes, we are going to go out and we will have our ice cream party.
And we will eat there only.
Yes, because you have to eat the ice cream fast or it will melt. Oh my god, you did it so fast, Amira. Look at this beautiful ice creams.
Ice cream, who wants ice cream? I have 3 flavors. Strawberry, kiwi, orange, and I will also put sprinkles and cherry on the top.
Hey Amira, I want 1 ice cream please, and I want all 3 flavors on it.
Okay.
Wow, Amira, you did a very good job. This coloring ice cream looks so real. Oh, wow. But these are colors, not ice cream. I want ice cream. Oh my god, Amira, look at this coloring. So beautiful. You did very good job. And these are the sketch pens you used, right?
Yes, 2 of them.
2 of them, and here are some more. Wow. You did a very good job, Amira. Hey, Amira. Well done. You did a very good coloring of an ice cream.
If you like my coloring video and coloring, hit the like button, like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to eat ice cream and share videos with your friends and family and love.
Yes, and love them, right?
Yes. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So, as I promised you, we are going to eat ice cream. High five. Okay, guys, you also have your ice cream party, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Lots of love. Okay, bye.